Hey, good morning. What's up? All right. So today you're going to notice some changes to the game. My other team members have been adding stuff, and we've increased the size of each level. Good morning was 8 hours ago. Oh, sorry. It's morning for me. 8 hours, so Europe time. What's up? What's up, Mostog? All right, today we are going to be revamping the space holes, is what we call them. Because basically our tile map is, we have this, we have the main background, and then we put the holes on top. So it looks like the holes are like cutouts. And we're going to make it so you can fall into them. Now, I have to relearn tile sets, because I always forget how to do this. Okay. Physics layers. See, we're going to take it off of that. We're going to put it on... Well, not death, just safe. No, it's death. That's what it is. So we do that. Physics material. Tile map, patterns, tiles. I have no idea. I might have to look this up again. Oh, terrains? No. Physics. Physics layer. We're getting there. Okay. So all holes are now going to have it be completely filled with the physics thing. I do want to change the color though. Can I change the color of it? It looks red here. That's what I would want. Yeah, let's look this up because I want to change it. Godot, change color of physics layer collision shape. Project settings. No, because that's project wide. I want to be able to have different layers. Oh, I didn't put tile map in there. Dang it. AI says I can't do it. Are there any characters in the game besides the Hat Man? Nope, not right now. I think we are going to add some. It depends on if if we have time. I don't know. All right, I'm just gonna pretend that, yeah, I guess you can't change the color of these, which is fine. But yeah, we just need to make all of these have this kind of physics layer. Ah. I actually don't remember why they are shaped like this. Maybe if Jared shows up in stream, I can ask him. Maybe some wizard in a blizzard who tells you how to solve the puzzles. Maybe. I think we're just gonna have like other inmates and guards and stuff like that. Just basic characters. Technically, the hat is also a character. We're gonna get to that at some point. All right, so now let's try this out. I need to change the player script a little bit. So now the player will have Are we in a prison? Yes, it is a space prison. It's not like immediately obvious about that, but like he's like supposed to be wearing like a prison jumper, and it's like loop cell means like he's in a cell, like a prison cell. Yeah, we didn't have like any narrative actually built into the game. You're just like, what did he do? Actually, we haven't really decided that, but the idea is that he's gonna have done something really insignificant, but these aliens think it's like a really big crime. So we still haven't decided that yet. Okay. Is it just body entered? Yeah, we'll just do body entered. Call the cops on a girl that sells lemonade. Is that what he did? Okay. I am in the wrong place. There we go. And now we're going to... Okay, so level 2, this space holes tile map. Oh, what does this have? Wall tile map. Or he tried to call ice on the aliens. Now he's a truly rotten kid, huh? I'm gonna see if I can make this a scene. We don't have a folder for tile maps yet. I just called that folder. That's really dumb. Okay. Tile map. Space holds tile map. Save. And then this we will make unique. All of those. And then TouchScript. I am hearing music in the background somewhere. Oh. Mostog added ambiance, ambient sounds, and they are not affected by the music bus. So we're going to need to add a new slider, Mostog. I was like, what is this extra sound I keep hearing? It's persisting in each song. Okay. So now we do this. This. Yeah, this is great. All right. Next. Player. Oh, these are backwards. So if it's body entered, if body.owner is space holes, then death equals true. If body.owner is oh, it's in the SFX bus. Got it. Yeah, and actually, you know what's interesting, Mostog, is I listened to a podcast the other day where a game dev said you should actually develop with all your sounds on, because most game devs just like want to listen to their own music or whatnot. But I can't do it. Like when I hear that track loop for hours and hours and hours, or like any of those sounds for hours and hours and hours, it grinds on my brain. But yeah, eventually we'll have to test with the sound on, make sure that everything is coherent. Yeah, same. I don't think that this logic is completely correct yet. I think every time, in fact, it might even be worth just detecting if you're over a safe area or over, I don't know. We'll find out. Because the problem is, like, if you enter, like if you exit one safe area, but you're still on another. So maybe it's a stack. Maybe we need the safe area to be a stack. I'm going to write that down. To do make death / safe areas a stack. Or int. I mean, it could just be an int, right? And so, for example, when entering ++ the stack, when exiting -, and then if stack is 0, or I guess if safe stack is 0, die, etc. I think that's probably the right way to do this. But for now, I just want to test this thing. If not safe and death. Die. Okay, cool. So let's see how this works. See a lot. See, what is this? Player at line 1. Great. The joys of NeoVim, I guess. Also, I didn't actually want to run that one. I wanted to run this one. Okay. Is safe set to true by default? Is that the problem? No. Yeah, I got wall hacks now. All right, let's try this again. So I am entering Space Holes tile map. Oh, and I enter a new one. Oh, that's weird. Shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. The whole tile map isn't one collision shape. It's each individual tile is a different collision shape. That complicates things. But also, why am I not dying? That's the main question here. So I'm entering space holes. So let's do safe. What's this? And then death equals this. Wrong thing. This one. Body.owners space holes. Space holes tile map. Maybe it's just body. Let's try that. Yeah. Oh. Cannot call reload current scene on a null value? Tree. Oh. What? There's no tree? Oh. It's because of this. Here, let's just like... If... Okay. Yeah, that's what we gotta do. And is inside tree. Because what's happening is the player is exiting the tree, and so it is thus exiting this body. Yeah. Yeah, okay, so that's how you can die. I'm gonna change the feet though. I'm gonna make the feet a little bit more forgiving. We'll do like, should I do the actual feet? Let's just do the actual feet. And actually, let's make them a little taller as well. Oh, except for it's never going to work that way anyway, because it's going to be just the same because I don't have a safe zone set up yet. So let's do the safe zone. Create new scene. Let's make it a child of tile map layer. Safe zone tile map. Do I need a physics material? I don't think I do. We'll just add it. Okay. So now, how do I create a tile map that is just empty? I think I can grab... Is it environment art? Yeah, so this Space Holes tile map has an empty one in it. No. There we go. So we have this one right here. And then let's, yeah, the physics layer, perfect. Add polygon. Oops. There we go. Ah. Okay, so now... Oh, I've got this polygon for physics. And then... That's going to be hard to see, though. We'll just have to deal with it. So let's go to level 2. Safe zone tile map. Oh, except for I forgot to give it a script. Okay, yeah, that's right. Safe zone is already a thing. We'll just call it safe zone tile map. Nice and easy. Now we've added the safe zone tile map. Tile set, make unique. Should probably have done that in here as well. So now we grab this thing. I think, am I doing this right? Can I draw? I can't see. All right, have I painted? Let's find out. Yeah, I painted it on. Oh, but I also painted it up there too. So let's delete these. Oh, come on. Get rid of all of that. Up there. Oh yeah, I guess that could be the space holes tile map. So now I should be safe. Yeah, because I entered the safe zone tile map. Okay, so now let's change the player script to detect safe zone tile map, and also get rid of this. Oh. Okay. Now I should be able to like kind of exist in between both. And then, yeah, when I step off into the hole, I fall. Perfect. Except now I'm not safe. Yeah, okay. So there is definitely a sucky aspect of this, which is that I cannot see it when I'm painting it. That's not great. Yeah, how can I see this? Yeah, I wonder how we're gonna have to do this. This is so weird. Because you just cannot see it. I mean, maybe what I do is I like pick another tile and draw that on, and then draw over it with the transparent ones. So basically anywhere that tile isn't, then I can basically tell that I've overwritten it. I don't know. For now, I'm just gonna go over. Let's go top to bottom. So I'm painting top. Okay, now next layer. Next layer. Oh, wait. Nope, don't do that layer. Do this layer. And then do this layer. Okay, so that should be done. And let's go into the game to check. Yeah, look at that. It's all covered. Okay, so I did it. Oh, that's a wall. Okay, so I can't go off that side. I'm good here. How about this? Yeah. And then... Okay, it's working pretty well. So now I can fall off into the holes and die, basically. Cool. Proof of concept done on that. Let's do a moving platform. That's where it's all going to fall apart, though, is the moving platform. Let's try the integer method real quick. So this safe... I'll do a different variable for now. So it'll be safe stack equals 0. And then death stack also equals 0. Now we'll do this. Safe stack plus equals 1 because GD script doesn't have plus plus. Death stack. Okay. And then, oh, that's right. Safe stack plus equals 1. Oh no, this one would be minus equals. I should probably do death first, or safe first, I guess. This will be plus, and then death. Okay, so now if safe stack is less than or equal to 0 and death stack is greater than 0, die. But also we're going to do a little bit of setting, like resetting the safe stack to 0, just in case it's like -1 somehow. put that right here. Oh, and then we also got to do the and is inside tree. Okay. Oh, and then I've got to do that up here as well. Okay. Then let's do a moving platform. Get to add my new component. I'm so excited. Let's put it right around here. Or actually, you know what? It'll be easier to test up here, huh? No, this is better. This is better down here. So let's see the tile map. I need to go up a little bit. Okay, like that. And then it's going to the right. Tile distance. It's just going to be 1. Can I set it to 1? What does that do? Yeah, perfect. Okay, so now I should be able to walk onto the tile. Oh my gosh, did it work first time? That's crazy. That's crazy. It totally worked first time. Amazing. Yeah, so if you miss it, you die. Oh my gosh. I walk up. Yeah, it worked first. That's amazing. I'm the GOAT. Oh, that feels so good too. Oh, that didn't work. Something about that didn't work. So I walked off here, I think, and then I walked on here. Yeah, okay, so something there was broken. I don't know. Well, so here's the thing, Mostog, is look, I can see my feet are the red square. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit more. Nope, it's this. Wrong one. Let's just try to shrink this. Oh, it's not working. Okay. I can't get it any bigger, but you see the little red? Like he can cross the death zone and stay on the safe zone. So I think what's happening is my stack is getting... Well, okay, I've got two theories here. One is that my stack is not registering one of my safe zone ticks, or the visual collision body of the moving platform. Oh, no, see, that didn't work. Okay, so if I go here and I try to... Huh? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on. When it works, it works. Yeah, I think you're just gonna have to be really precise. And maybe we could make it pause when it gets to the end. Let's do that. I think that's gonna be nice. It's gonna feel nice for the player anyway. So we'll do between property, and then there's like a, is it set delay? We'll set a delay of a quarter second. Let's see how this feels. Yeah, that'll probably feel nice. And then you're like way less likely to just fall into the pit. Oh. Yeah, I don't know. I think it was just that the collision shape displayed here wasn't being completely accurate, and so when I would walk over here, I wasn't actually on it, even though it looked like I was on it. I think that's what was happening. But now that I've got that little pause at the end, I think it feels a lot better, a lot easier to use. Oh. That was not forgiving at all. When you go off the bottom. That's pretty funny. So maybe I do need to make the feet a little bit taller. Let's make it like this, maybe? Because that looked real bad. I think there should be a way to detect if the entire player's over the gap, because couldn't he die if just any bit of that... No. See, that's what I'm trying to say. Like right here, I have the space holes, and I have the safe zone, and he is on both right now. The red box is his feet. So part of it is touching the holes, part of it is touching safe, and so he's considered safe. But then down here, it's a little harder to tell. Yeah, like right now, I'm like hanging over the gap, right? By just like a tiny bit of my feet. And then if I move any farther, I die. See that? So I can hang over the hole. It is pretty forgiving. But down, like going down is less forgiving, which I think maybe, yeah, let's make it even more forgiving. Because it's, I mean, no matter what, this is going to feel bad, I think. And I don't want it to feel too bad. Yeah, so now I can kind of stand like all the way to the edge of what visibly looks like safe area. Yeah, I think that's good. And then, yeah, we have to add a falling animation at some point. Cool. Yeah, it works. This is crazy. I'm excited about that. So now let's get rid of the visible collision shapes and feel what it's like. Maybe it's a little too forgiving visually. It depends, because we're probably going to increase... Oh, that's a little awkward. Moving platform should be on -1. These should be on -2. This is on... This one can be on whatever. Cell environment needs to be on -2. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. Because, yeah, wow, I can stand like all the way over the edge and I'm okay. That's pretty funny. Like, I'm not even on the ledge at this point, but that's okay. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. We can change that pretty easily if we ever need to. But yeah, now the player has to be a lot more careful going next to edges. Maybe we could do like a little cooldown so like he can hop over the edge a little bit. So if he's not back on the ledge for like 3 frames or something, then he dies. I actually don't know how to do that. Maybe just a timer. It'd probably just be a timer, huh? But yeah, working pretty well. All right, I want to look at the whole game real quick before I sign off because Jared increased the viewport size. I want to see how all the levels work now. Nice. Oh. That did not work very well. Oh well. Okay. Yeah, we're going to need to change this level a little bit. What's this? Oh, you need to press the button to... Okay. Sure. Oh. Oh, that's weird. The wall is... The wall hangs out very far. I wonder if we can shrink that a little bit. Oh, that's funny. I didn't even realize that. My brain still doesn't understand. Hey, look. Oh, never mind. What the? How did I miss that? What? How did I miss that button? That was crazy. What am I missing here? Oh, that's cool. That's a cool puzzle. Oh, the timing challenge is too hard. Okay, so now I've got to really do it the right way. There we go. Yeah, we need to rework all of our levels, huh? I can't even do the pro gamer strat anymore. All right, and then I need to... Yeah, I think Jared has maybe made this too hard now. Oh, it's broken too. Let's do this. Come on, let me through. So this level is broken. Let's skip to level 7. Okay, level 7 is the same. You just gotta push them farther now. Okay, cool. Yeah, we need to completely redo our levels, I feel like. Because everything is just so much farther away now. But yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. I got a bunch of stuff done. I mean, I guess I probably still need to add this to every level, but I'm gonna just say got the safe and death zones working. And I can work on tomorrow. I'll put them into each level, except for maybe not, because we're going to probably change all of our levels. So yeah, there we go. Okay, thanks for stopping by. I'll